what I want to show you right now is how to file your numbers. As you see, I've started with 7 and ended up somewhere at 32, which is not right. I was trying to do a video previously and it didn't work, but I will redo it again. How to start your numbering your file from 1 to 30. So in the moment when you give them to your client, you don't have the file 526 or 27 and they'll be like, oh, where are the other pictures? So better to put the number 1 and start with 20 or 1 to 80, wherever you do, because that will give them less information how much you should. And I do overshoot sometimes. So you just go right click, you select them, right click, rename 29, and then you have to change here the format, replace text, and you choose format, name and index. You can, I don't want file, I just want number 1 before the name. I don't want that. Let's put number 1, number 2, rename. So as you see, number 4, 5, 6, 7, 1 it's here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and they go to 29. So yeah, those are my images, and that was pretty fast. And if you select your whatever you want to select to be in order, that's how they will look. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed that, and see you for the next tutorial. Bye!